system.
Good morning, everyone. Wish me luck today because today is the first of the year
For
that
fishing.
we are going for fishing. But my sweetheart think that there's not much or there's no fish.
Well,
Bite.
there'll be lots of fish, but might be sprinkling, and it's a little bit cool this morning, so it won't be the most pleasant. But we'll see.
And I'm so excited. Hopefully I can catch fish. I know he's gonna be busy of his brother, do lots of things, but I just wanna go fish. So wish me luck. Salamat sa pagsama ninyo kay Mama Lu. Thank you. See you a little bit. It's cloudy today and 60 degrees, right?
Yeah.
60 degrees. They're predicting that it will going to rain later on. So
We'll see.
we got our McDonald first. It's a very big lake. It looks like an ocean, but it's not an ocean. It's a big lake. Enjoy the view, guys. Don't get bored. Thank you for watching and always supporting my channel. This lake is one of the biggest lake in Minnesota. And if you own a property here, that means you are wealthy. We love the scenery here. Lots of trees, green trees. Love all the nature. It's cloudy and it's sprinkle, but I'm excited to go fishing. It's our first day, or it's my first time to go fishing this year. So I'm looking forward for it. We are almost there, guys. Just relax and enjoy the beauty of nature. A little bit of sprinkle, but it's still good. It's about an hour driving from my place to here, so it's a little bit far.
Here I am. Start fishing. Hopefully, I will catch fish. Uh-oh, here comes the rain.
It's my first fish. See, I got the bite one. I think I got one. I'm not sure what fish is this, so my sweetheart is gonna decide. I'm not sure what it is. I think I have to return this kind of fish. I got a sunfish. I got a sunfish, see? I got a sunfish. This is the one I use. That one. That kind. See, I know how to hook it. See? That's it. Let's try it again. Try again.